Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very cute and simple headband. This headband is great for all sizes from baby all the way up to adult. I will have this pattern located over at my blog, which is charmedbyashley.com. I will show you how to create the measurements with your own head and also give you average measurements for everyone else. So here's how it looks. So if you're interested, then stick around. Okay, so I'm starting off with a piece that is 23 inches long and 5 inches wide. That is my head measurement. But like I said, if you would like to know all the other measurements, I will have that link below or in the information icon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you aren't already, I would love to see if you make some of these headbands. So the first thing you're going to do is use a stretch knit fabric. I'm using some jersey knit I got over at Joann's, and I'm going to be folding it lengthways and doing a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance down both of the raw edges. So sometimes with jersey knit it can be a little bit curly, so you're going to have to make sure that you flatten it down nicely, making sure your inside out, your right sides are together. And you try to line up the edges as best as possible. And then when you're finished from here, you're going to take both of the pieces and you're going to flip them inside out. I did it one way and then it took me too long, so the next way I did it, I just basically put it over my whole entire thumb and then brought it through really quick. So I would definitely recommend this way. Okay, so once you've done that, you're just going to lay both of your pieces down flat, and then you're going to put them in an X pattern, like so. You're going to take the one end of one of them and then flip it over, and then bring the other two ends together, just like this. And that is how the headband is formed. So now I'm just going to take both ends and just do a quick 1/4 of an inch seam allowance on both sides just to hold it in place. And at this point, if you have a serger, then it might be a good idea to use that here. Also, if you don't have a serger, you could do a zigzag stitch. There will be visible raw edges when you are finished. You won't see them when they're on your head, but when you take it off, you will see them. So you can do your zigzag stitch or serge the edges just so that it looks a little bit more neater. If you're just making it for yourself and you don't really care, then just do it the way I did. But if you're planning on selling them or giving it as a gift, then I would consider covering up the raw edges. So after I've done those two seams, I'm going to put the two ends together and then sew all 4 layers together like so. And like I said, you could serge this edge as well. And then that's it. See, if you flip it over, when you put it on your head, the raw edge will be against your head, so you won't see it. But you do see that ugly raw edge when you take it off. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.